Expressions quiz sleep. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about sleep. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. I read bedside stories to Johnny until he was fast asleep. A was going to sleep. B had just gone to sleep. C was sleeping deeply. Was fast asleep means letter C, was sleeping deeply. Number 2. It was Susie's big exam and she hadn't slept a wink the night before. A hadn't slept at all. B hadn't slept enough. C hadn't slept badly. Answer is hadn't slept a wink means letter A, hadn't slept at all. Number 3. Justin wanted to have an early night for a change. A, get up earlier than usual. B, go to bed earlier than usual. C, go to bed early in the morning. Answer is letter B. Have an early night means go to bed earlier than usual. Number 4. I wish I could sleep in whenever I felt like it. A, get up late. B, get up early. C, stay up late. Answer is letter A. Sleep in means get up late. Number 5. When I was young, I used to fall asleep so easily. A, fall out of bed. B, go to sleep. C, suddenly wake up. Fall asleep means letter B, go to sleep. Number 6. When he's worried, Robert tosses and turns all night long. A, doesn't sleep well. B, sleeps very deeply. C, works out in bed. Tosses and turns means letter A, doesn't sleep well. Number 7. When I checked on Uncle Tom, he was dead to the world. A, no longer alive. B, in a very deep sleep. C, half asleep. Answer is dead to the world means letter B, in a very deep sleep. Number 8. Billy is a light sleeper, but her boyfriend isn't. A, sleeps with a light on. B, falls to sleep easily. C, is woken up easily. A light sleeper means letter C, is woken up easily. Number 9. Do you ever talk in your sleep? A, speak to people in dreams. B, speak out loud while asleep. C, talk while going to sleep. Answer is talk in your sleep means letter B, speak out loud while asleep. Number 10, last item. Why are so many people sleeping rough these days? A, not sleeping enough. B, not sleeping well. C, sleeping outside. Answer is sleeping rough means letter C, sleeping outside. This video ends here about expressions quiz sleep. Thanks for watching.